At 7th Avenue Apothecary, we are a female-owned and family-operated business based in Tampa, Florida. We offer an exclusive selection of home fragrances inspired by the cultural and culinary legacies of our hometown. Every product we sell is made here at our shop in the historic Ybor City district, and our clean-burning 100% soy wax is made from beans grown, harvested, and processed in the USA. We even offer the option to custom brand your company logo or personal event. We start with identifying all that captivates us and then work to cultivate those inspirations into distinct fragrances. Every step throughout the process is carefully handcrafted in-house by our team of candle chemists. Countless hours are spent blending each product base with our signature fragrance combinations to create exceptional quality products. Pouring the candles is truly an artisan craft. Created one by one, every piece is special, with a life story as unique as the hands that create it. We pay close attention to detail in all steps of the process to ensure that our products are consistently of the highest quality. With great pride and care, we pack and ship all over the world. From small boutiques to private label clients, and from large chain stores to individual retail customers. Our passion for the art of candle making is evident every time our light shines.